working overtime all week while I sat up in my grandma's project building coloring. Oh, moved to a small town and started to grow. Poetry written, singing and dancing. Oh, photographs, painting, cartoons. That's all I know. That's all I know. I have one best friend to this very fucking day since we were 5 years old, and I fucking moved away. I wish I never did, 'cause she's the only one who sees me for who I really am instead of how many I reach. Oh, trusted too many fake people while I was still young. Gave them the benefit of the doubt. I was so wrong. I cut them off and they came for blood, 'cause they know they ain't got it no more. I'm so done with playing piggyback. Oh, oh, swear to God I wish y'all all the best. Oh, you're lying, you waited, try to gain a piece of me when you could never come close, 'cause I know my destiny. I worked hard for my shit, put my love in the shit. Now you're trying to kill my name for some fame. What is this? Trying to help you do your shit, encourage you to work on it. Was a good friend and you use that to your advantage. Now I'm 22 and I've had a crazy year. Isolation from all the plastic people here. I cannot wait for the day I can finally move away back to New York City, where the realest people really stay. Oh, spent this whole time writing away my heart and my soul. The people I surround myself with have hearts filled with gold. Love and empathy are things that we hold so close. Trying to learn and evolve. I'm so done with playing piggyback. Oh, oh, swear to God I wish y'all all the best. Oh, you're lying, you waited, try to gain a piece of me when you could never come close, 'cause I know my destiny. I worked hard for my shit, put my love in the shit. Now you're trying to kill my name for some fame. What is this? Trying to help you do your shit, encourage you to work on it. Was a good friend and you use that to your advantage. I'm so done with playing piggyback. Oh, oh, swear to God I wished y'all all the best. Oh, you're lying, you waited, try to gain a piece of me when you could never come close, 'cause I know my destiny. Blood still stains when the sheets are washed. Sex don't sleep when the lights are off. Kids are still depressed when you dress them up. And syrup is still syrup in a sippy cup. He's still dead when you're done with the bottle. Of course it's a corpse that you keep in the cradle. Kids are still depressed when you dress them up. Syrup is still syrup in a sippy cup. Blood money, how do you afford this ring that I love, honey? Just another shift at the drug company. He doesn't think I'm that fucking dumb, does he? It doesn't matter what you pull up to your home. We know what goes on inside. You call that ass your own, we call that silicone. Silly girl, we're silly boys. Blood still stains when the sheets are washed. Sex don't sleep when the lights are off. Kids are still depressed when you dress them up. And syrup is still syrup in a sippy cup. He's still dead when you're done with the bottle. Of course it's a corpse that you keep in the cradle. Kids are still depressed when you dress them up. Syrup is still syrup in a sippy cup. Pill diet, you a new pill, then you will buy it. If they say to kill yourself, then you will try it. All the makeup in the world won't make you less insecure. You got weights in your pockets when you go to the doctors. Your favorite candy's cotton, that's why all your teeth are rotten. Silly girl,